Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this amazing ice cream using just 3 ingredients. So if you want to see how we do this, keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and try it out as well. First off, we're going to need 5 egg whites, some lemon juice, and condensed milk. We're going to go ahead and we're going to beat the eggs. Beat. They have to be fluffy, and then you're going to get to this point. You have to make sure they're super stiff and that you can like actually turn the bowl over without anything falling out like this. That's when you know it is ready. So now it's time for step 2. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to beat the condensed milk with the lemon juice. I wouldn't recommend using a whole can just because it will be super sweet, but this all depends on you. If you want your ice cream to be very sweet, you can go ahead and do that. So for this, we're just going to mix that up and we are going to beat this. We're going to beat it until it is creamy. It should be creamy. Don't let it be too watery. I know at the beginning it's going to seem a bit too watery. If it is a bit too watery, then I would definitely recommend adding a bit more condensed milk so it's not so watery. It should be creamy like this. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix our mix of lemon juice and condensed milk with the egg whites. Put little at a time and mix it through. You don't want to put everything at the same time because it will be hard to mix. So we're just going to go ahead and mix all of this up piece by piece, bits by bits. Let's do it like that. For this part, you can go ahead and also use the electric beater if you want to mix everything up faster. I did it with a spoon, but then I went in with the electric beater because I wasn't finding it too smooth. Once it is perfect, go ahead and pour your mixture into your container, whichever container you want to use. You can use a metallic one, it will help it set faster, but I don't have one, so I just went ahead and I used my plastic container. And we're gonna freeze this for at least 6 hours, but just take note that I left mine overnight and I only opened it like at 12 o'clock after lunch because I wanted to have some dessert, of course. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's set perfectly. Bear with me, I am not good at scooping ice cream. I've tried so many times, I'm just not that good at it. But can you guys see how creamy and airy it looks? It is so delicious. It was super amazing. Look at the ball, and that's the final product. It is so delicious. I hope you guys try this. It's simple, 3 ingredients, and you have a yummy treat. Go ahead and try it and let me know how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.